Are you a high school student looking for help with challenging math problems? Are you a test taker looking for a one-stop collection of problems on different topics included in standardized tests like GRE, GMAT, SAT, etc.? Are you a math teacher looking for additional resources to help you prepare lessons to challenge your class? Or are you simply a math lover or math enthusiast interested in finding and following challenging problems? Welcome to my channel, Math Solutions for You. Just to give you a quick background on myself, I am an IIT graduate, engineer and scientist with a PhD. I am a math lover and math enthusiast. My mission with this channel is to build a free online repository of challenging problems from various high school math topics and standardized tests, along with step-by-step explanation of solutions and time-saving tips and tricks whenever possible. You'll find a host of interesting math problems on my channel. For example, can you solve this tricky problem on number of ways to create an internet password? Or would you like to know about this interesting probability problem involving a card game player who speaks truth only 75% of the time? Or can you apply your knowledge on sequences in arithmetic progression to solve this problem on mystery of missing page number? To find more interesting problems and their solutions, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications on new math problem videos posted every day.